I connected my WhatsApp to this platform and I was able to place a withdrawal with this platform. Now I want to try it with you. Now I have over 14,000 points right on my account, and I'm going to be placing a withdrawal right in front of you, and we're going to be knowing the total this was able to bring to the table. Now what we do on this platform is to actually link your WhatsApp to this platform, and you get a generated income every single day, which you can place withdrawal once you have gotten up to 1,000 points, and 1,000 points can give you some earnings right on your account. Before I proceed with this video, if you're coming across this channel for the first time, this is Cash Value, and what we do out right here is to test out platform that works, and if this actually pays us, what we do right now is to show you how you can actually do the same thing and get the exact same result. And in return, all I ask from you right now is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever we upload valuable content like what you're about to watch. So like I showed you earlier, this is my account balance of 14,832 points. Now if you want to place withdrawal on your account, all you just have to do is to come over to account withdrawal. Now you might have linked your account details to this platform. My previous video explains how you can actually link your bank account to this platform. Now when you come down to where it says transfer amount, withdrawal fee is 200 points, you can actually see that the maximum transfer output to be given to you right on this platform. Now it says you can be able to withdraw 14,632 points out of the points I have on my account. Now when you come down here, you can actually see that the minimum withdrawal amount is 1,000 points. So once you have 1,000 points, you can go ahead to place withdrawal on your account. Now you can only withdraw 3 times a day. Now what you just want to do is to come down to where it says maximum transfer out. So you are going to be seeing the exact amount you should put in to place withdrawal on your account. Now we have 14,632. So I'm just going to put in 14,632. Okay, so once that is done, you can actually see the amount to be getting in naira. Now this 14,632 will be giving me a total of 4,243,000 naira. Okay, so what you just have to do is to click on sure to confirm your withdrawal right on this platform. Now this shows that I've actually placed withdrawal on my account. When you go back to my account, you can actually see that my account balance has actually reduced. Now I have only 6 points right on my account. Now I'll be showing you the withdrawal proof from this platform to show you how fast this platform is. So right now you can actually see that the income transfer just showed above. Now I just received this instantly into my OPay account. And so guys, immediately I placed withdrawal on this platform, I just got the credited amount into my OPay. As you can see right now, I have a total of 4,243 naira transferred into my OPay account to show you how fast and swift this platform works. So what we do on this platform is that you actually link your WhatsApp to this platform and you get connected instantly and start earning every single day. Now to connect your WhatsApp to this platform, all you just have to do is to come where it says start tax. So once you click on start tax, you can just come down to where it says this particular figure that shows +1. Just click on it and you select your country. So once you're done selecting your country, the next thing you want to do is to input your WhatsApp number. So you just have to come down here and input your WhatsApp number over here. It says please enter your phone number, then click on get verification code. Then a verification code will be generated for you automatically right below this. Just copy the verification code and go back to your WhatsApp and look for where it's written link device, then paste this code to your WhatsApp device, and automatically your device, your WhatsApp, will be linked to this platform. So right now you can actually see that my WhatsApp number reads online, so that means I'm connected right on this platform. So if you find it difficult in connecting your WhatsApp to this platform, just go ahead to click on this video that says ATM 05 making money tutorial video. So just click on that and it's going to display on how you can link your WhatsApp to this platform. So that is all you just have to do on this platform and start earning. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding this video, feel free to drop them on the comment section below. I also created another video that explains how you can actually link your WhatsApp to this platform, how you can connect your bank details to this platform, and also place withdrawal on this platform. So this is all about this platform that I tried using to make money for myself online, and it has worked for me. So I decided to bring this up to you. You can actually give this a try by using the link below the description of this video or in the pinned comment section. Set up an account for yourself and start earning. So thank you for watching this video to this point. I hope you got value from it. And if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.